Welcome to my class, your class. Hi, kids. Let's learn English together. What does it mean? What does wake up mean? Wake up means open your eyes. Wake up means stop sleeping. I wake up in the morning. What does get up mean? Get up means leave your bed. Get up means stand up after sleeping. I get up every day. What does go to bed mean? Go to bed means go sleep. Go to bed means bedtime. I go to bed at night. What does sleep in mean? Sleep in means sleep more. Sleep in means wake up late. On Sunday I sleep in. Let's remember. Wake up, open your eyes. Get up, leave your bed. Go to bed, go sleep. Sleep in, sleep more. Great job, kids! See you next time!